Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language courses we offer. Yesterday in one of my classes, a student got talking about the devastation that had been caused in her country in the 1990s when heroin started flooding in from the east through what were then quite porous borders that didn't stop the flow of heroin. Obviously, one upshot of the heroin that was flooding in was an explosion of AIDS cases, mostly resulting from people sharing needles as they were shooting up the drug, but also obviously from people having unprotected sex. And often people who became addicted to the heroin were having unprotected sex because they were working in the sex industry, trying to make money to pay for their drug habits. To add insult to injury, the authorities there at the time basically tried to hush everything up. And they tried to brush the problem under the carpet. If you brush or sweep a problem under the carpet, you basically choose to ignore it or deny it or to attempt to hide it from public view and from public knowledge because it's embarrassing or damaging to your reputation if this information comes out into the wider public. So sometimes, for example, politicians try to brush their former drug use or drug taking under the carpet. Maybe companies or accountants might try to sweep or brush financial problems under the carpet because it's embarrassing for them to admit to having these problems. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people find out about what we do. Please do share it with your friends, your colleagues and your students. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of times when people have tried to brush things or sweep things under the carpet.